Okay, Adam, I'll bring this along with me. Hopefully this will fit your motor. I don't know. It's 208cc. I think that's 7 horse, but I'm not quite positive. But I'll bring this with me, and if it works, it's yours, buddy. But it does have plug-in lead, and is that French? Yes, it is. But red circuit is heated grips, and yellow circuit is headlights. So obviously this is off a snowblower engine, but it's still a B&S. I don't know, buddy. I don't know. But if it works, it's yours, dude.
Next weekend.
There's what was hiding underneath all that chain, buddy. Look at that. Why do people throw that out? Husky. Husky. How was that one? No idea. What's that one? Challenger. Mastercraft. It's like, wow, eh? People are crazy.